There's the truck here, the logging truck. Still here. They went to move it piece by piece. Oh, they take off all the logs there. Not the traffic by, oh Lord.
No.
Yeah, in the juice box. These people here going up to town too. Guys, good morning. Guess what? I'm in Georgetown this morning here. And this morning we are going to the market. So let me show you our market here in Georgetown. Say good morning. Good morning, Zai. Tell them morning. Tell them we're going to the market. Yeah. We're going to Panitence market and maybe Bourda market too. This is the plant that does Kuru and fade out. This is the green it's supposed to be. Into the market to video everything individually and show you guys, but the sun is really hot and you don't know, look who that would be. Dive. So when you're going into the market to see what we have to get and get the necessary. This is Panitence market here. Well, Junior already went and got some stuff, so we're just driving out and we plan to go to Bourda market to see if we have to get anything there as well. So we're taking a drive. He also bought pork, so we're gonna be cooking some pork soon. Oh, we see this pumpkin here, $700 a piece. So all the fresh vegetables, fruits, early Sunday morning, Panitence market, Bourda market. Some of the vegetables selling really expensive. For example, last week, Bourda was selling for $3,000. So I don't know what's happening, but yeah, some of the vegetables are very expensive at this time. All the different herbs. Yeah, and I get some cabbage. He bought the plants. Let's pass by Bourda to see if we have to get anything there. I just call here the heart of Georgetown. This was Ashland building here, guys. Rent. The St. George's Cathedral. And that's the new brick dome school, secondary school. We're in Bourda market here, guys. We normally use to drive through this market a lot because Bourda market is the only drive-through market in Guyana. Drive-through and shop. However, the traffic is too much and the sun is very hot. We decided to get some tomatoes. Tomatoes are selling $600 a pound. Ginger, $1,000 a pound.
Okay.
Man, got seasoning pepper there. Okay. Well, Junior just told me that he already bought all the other things them. So we decided that was it. Look the line for drive through the market. Not a bit of it. You see? But yes, all the fresh fruits, everything fresh right here. So we're going home now because we have to go up to Kuru to water our plants and do some fineries and come down back tonight because it's work tomorrow. We are now in Diamond New Scheme here. We use the back road. I didn't video it because I have a few videos with us driving on the back road, coming in Diamond, going up to the bank. So I didn't want to bore you guys with the same thing. But you know what I noticed? There's a lot of Chinese supermarket, or I should say supermarket, on this main road for Diamond here. Supermarket again. Diamond New Scheme have everything. They got a banks. They don't need to go in town for anything. Look at this. Y'all know this what? That's the coca, guys. It's a water channel. when I was young and I used to see the water high in Horstellan, we used to say Coco closed, Coco open. The water ain't gone down yet. So we're on the East Bank here, heading up to Kuru. Yeah. Well, I tell you, look at this. Traffic. Oh my god. You see all the vehicles just there all over. All over the vehicle just there. Oh Lord. Not the traffic guy, oh Lord. Guys, we are in this line to go up to Kuru. About 2 hours now. And the traffic is crazy. Apparently there's a truck. That there's a problem with a truck up the road. So as we go up and I see the truck, I'll video it. But oh my god, it's crazy. 2 hours in this line is not easy. So this here is the logging truck that caused all the traffic on the East Bank. Look at this. Oh Lord, crazy. I don't know who playing the music, but they're just playing and entertaining them. Look this line.
Ah, the traffic down there like weekday. But remember when we went to the yard was a weekday. I don't set a headache, you know.
Imagine coming down from the airport and then in all this. Oh, Sherry's son was supposed to be. I hope he didn't reach yet and come until tonight. What is boss next to me, Junior? He got you too fond of.
No.
Yeah, in the juice box. These people here going up to town too. To traffic.
What now? No, this side what?
This was the 2 sets of traffic. There's a lot of vehicles. Are you okay?
I'm on this a long time, man.
With the nanny stripe. It's very smart. Like finally stop.
I'm sorry for you, black yarn.
update. We're finally at the Suicide Junction. Mind you, we left home at 2:30. Now it's 4:45. This is how long it takes me to reach to the Suicide Junction. We still got more to drive to reach up to Kuru, but we're out of that traffic. That traffic was crazy. As you guys can see, it was a logging truck that broke down. The logs was falling out like terrible. Something falling on the back there, Junior. In Kuru. Now is 5:08 entrance. That's the street in there.
Alright, not me, a Chinese coming open and they got everything full stock and in running out to nothing.
Look at the moon. Let me zoom in. Zoom right in. We now getting ready to go home and look what I'm seeing here. A lovely, lovely butterfly. It looks very unique, so I had to do a video of it. There's the truck here, the logging truck. Still here, the move it piece by piece. Oh, they took off all the logs there. Traffic in your skin again. Guys, what a day. Huh? What a day. So my family and I were back home here. Thank you, Father. We're safe and sound. We're out of that chaotic traffic. Kudos to the people that's there. While going up, me and Junior are saying we sorry for we sorry for the person that now joining the line, or if they only know what they're getting into, that joining the line. So we had a rough day in terms of that traffic there, because it was very hectic, and we gotta say that we're so thankful that Zyleek, he's a very humble baby. As long as you put on either Peppa Pig or Cocomelon for he's okay. And if you notice, he likes chewing on the rag. Any thick rag you give him, he likes to chew on it. So as long as his tummy is full and he's watching this cartoon, he's okay. So yeah, we're back home. We were safe and well. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Bye.